Mutoni, and I am the coordinator of the African Center of Excellence for Access to Justice, or ACAJ for short. And the African Center of Excellence for Access to Justice is a continent-wide network of civil society organizations working to advance access to justice for vulnerable and marginalized populations through direct legal aid provision and also advocacy for people-centered justice reforms. And we have currently 18 member organizations across 14 African countries who are all working at the grassroots level. So it's been exciting to be here. So many important conversations going on around SDG 16, of course, which we understand is the enabler for all other SDGs. And I'm very glad and privileged to be able to contribute to the conversations as I was sharing about the work of our grassroots organizations, how they are helping advance access to justice through community legal empowerment. And yeah, it's been wonderful also to hear from other people the work that they have been doing. It's always so inspiring to hear from civil society organizations, and I was also excited to hear from member states recognizing the work that civil society have been doing. So as we talk about access to justice, we need to remember that for most people, they don't begin their journey seeking for justice within courtrooms. They go to customer and informal justice mechanism. They go to a community elder. They go to a paralegal in their village. And with the Civil Society Declaration on SDG 16 that was launched yesterday, we make the case that justice should be financed as a public good. Especially we call for governments to recognize community-based paralegals and informal justice mechanisms in their national laws and in their policies, and also allocate domestic funding, not just donor funds. And we also call for the donor community to support these frontline service providers, because the research is there, the evidence is there that they're doing amazing work, that there's results, that these mechanisms are accessible, cost-effective, and scalable. But all of that needs funding. And for the donor community especially, we call for flexible funding, multi-year core funding, instead of short-term project-based funding, because it is core funding that allows organizations to actually do work that is scalable and sustainable.